Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm for Pamela's Creations. I'm here to announce hashtag another 50 for you, 50 for me giveaway hosted by Gloria at GG Crochet Queen. She is doing a birthday giveaway, and what you have to do to be entered is you need to be a public subscriber of her channel. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. Public subscriber of my channel. So the semifinalists I pick, I will send to her, and she will have the semifinalists in a pot, and then she'll pick it from there. The prize is a $50 gift card from Amazon. You must have a valid email and know how to use a digital gift card. YouTube is not responsible for the giveaway, or is Amazon for this giveaway. YouTube content creator as myself is not responsible for any gifts or giveaways. All I'm doing is picking the semi-finalist. So if you push on the hit 50 for you, 50 for me, another 50 for you, 50 for me birthday giveaway, you'll see all the people that are doing the videos. You can go over there, subscribe to their channel, show them some crafty love, and leave a comment so you can be, have a little more chances of winning. And so I have a chance of winning, and you have a chance of winning. I will link Gloria's channel down below in the description box. Please go over there and show her some crafty love. I've made one of her patterns before in the past. It was a hat. And it was a lot of fun to make. She's a very talented fiber artist. I'm going to link all the rules, everything down below. And so if you click on the 50 for me, another 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway, like I said, you can follow along with everybody's participating. It starts July 20th and ends July 30th. She's going to pick a winner August 3rd. So go get your entries in there. Please don't copy and paste comments in your comments. Don't copy and paste. YouTube doesn't like that. So what I want you to do to enter mine is put happy birthday GG. G, capital G, capital G. Happy birthday GG. Please go over there and show her some crafty love. Like I said, I'm not responsible for any gifts. I'm not going to give any gifts on my channel away. So please go over and show Gloria some crafty crochet love, and go check out some of her videos. She's got great content on her channel, and like I said, I made a hat from her. I think it was last year, I think. Let's see here. Is there anything else I'm missing here? If you have any questions, please direct the questions to Gloria. Yeah, and you have a chance of winning a $50 gift card, and I have a chance of winning a $50 gift card. All right, everyone. So make sure you follow the hashtag another 50 for me, 50 for you birthday giveaway. And I'll link everything down below in the description box. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. And as always, God bless.